Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. If you're new, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. On today's video, I'm actually going to be doing an updated video of my Revlon one-step hair dryer hairbrush thing. This thing. I did one before, but honestly it was crap. I didn't know how to use it correctly, so I figured now that I've been using it for a couple of weeks that I could come back on here again and show you how I've been using it correctly now. So that's what I'm going to do today. First off, I'm going to start off with the Verve Ghost Oil, and it is a hair protectant and an oil just to like take away some of the frizz, because I do have bleached hair, so obviously it's going to be frizzy and it is damaged. So I'm going to use this, and let me put some on really quick. I just got out of the shower, so my hair's still really wet. So this is how I've been using it. Ow, I just hurt my ear. Okay, so my hair's still really wet. Like I said, I just put the oil in, and I'm gonna go ahead and start blow drying it. I'm gonna put half of it up. It's just easier to get the lower layer for me since my hair is so short. I just found that this works better for my hair. So I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, so I just wanted to come in here and say really quick that the brush only has low and high heating, so I would suggest you do it on low first because it gets really hot. You just kind of have to like go over it more times and slower, and it'll start straining it. So that's what I do. I do like to go high on my top layer just because I want it really smooth, so that just gives me the better effect on my hair type. So as you can see, it's all pretty smooth. I have little parts sticking out, but I'll fix that on my last layer. And you can kind of style it however you want. I prefer to have my hair kind of tucked in. So, or if anything, you can just go in with the flat iron just to fix it. But I'll fix that in a little bit. Last layer. Okay, as you can see, my hair is really voluminous and it's parted mostly on this side, but this is when I like to go in and kind of like tuck everything in and decide where my parting's gonna go, because as you can see I give myself a lot of volume like on the front of my bangs, but you can really mess it up and decide where you want your parting to go. Let me get my mirror because I can't see looking at the camera. And I just brush it out. As you can see, my hair is like really straight. I'll probably end up adding a little bit more oil on my ends just because they are really fragile still. I mean, my hair is bleached, so they can look really like frizzy. Okay, so usually my parting is not perfect. It kind of just goes right here, so I'm going to do that and really get on my roots to get my baby hairs to smooth out. But other than that, it looks really good. I really like it. It's so much easier than to blow dry and then go in with a straightener. I mean, this straightens it for you, and then if you want to curl, you can curl afterwards or whatever. So I'm just going to finish up. So this is how my hair looks after it's been fully blow dried. I mean, it's fully dried, no wet spots or anything like that. I normally just tuck this side like this. As you can see, my baby hairs are as straight as they're gonna get. I could probably get them straighter if you wanted to, but I like a little bit of volume in my hair. I don't like it to be fully flat, which is why I'm falling in love with the Revlon one-step hair dryer. It's really awesome. If you have short hair, this is so much better than blow drying and then straightening, because most of the time after you straighten, your hair is like fully flat. And on me personally, short hair and then super flat doesn't go too well with my face, so I do like to have a little bit of volume, especially at the roots. And another thing that I like because of this is that second day hair, you still have so much volume and you can just go in with the wand and curl it, and it gives you like the best curls for short, like lob. Is it a lob? I don't know, but I find it that straightening it with this and then curling your hair, it looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of ghost oil again, just to put on the ends of my hair. And I just barely added any, like a little drop, just to fully flatten them and not have them looking frizzy. But yeah, this is how my hair looks afterwards. I really love it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to y'all. But yeah, if y'all have any questions, just leave them down in the comments and I'll get back to y'all. But yeah, I'll see y'all on my next video. Y'all have a great day. Bye guys.